And you can see our trading indicator has called the bottom of Bitcoin since back here in 2015. So if we're using the strategy, okay, and the indicator to place our entries and we're investing and we're not trading, okay, this is the best time to buy, right? Our assets that we want to own for the long term. This was 2015 on Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was $250. Okay, if we were buying down in here in this area during this time, okay, the price went from $250 all the way up to $20,000. Okay, you could have sold this red dot right here, or you could have sold right here. You could have sold here and got back in on this green one and then sold up here. But the whole goal, the easiest way to do this and how we are going to be going about it is on a monthly chart. Okay, we don't want to be traders. We want to be long-term investors. And it is the best time to buy, as you can see here, not just on Bitcoin, but on every single other asset. Look at Ethereum. If you were buying Ethereum right here in 2023, you were buying it at about $1,000. It went all the way up to $4,000. If you were buying back here in 2020, you were buying at 150. This thing went all the way up to around $5,000. That was a massive, massive move. And it's not just on crypto. It's also on stocks. Look at this last one on Meta that came, right? Blue wave way down here in 2023 on Meta. This is Facebook. Okay. You could have bought Meta down here at 120. It went all the way up to 500. That's a 400% move. So that is what I want to start focusing on here on this channel. I know there probably won't be as many videos, but these dots are extremely accurate, and they're more accurate the higher the time frame. So if we're looking at a monthly chart, that's about the highest time frame that you can get. Yes, you can look at a 6-month chart, a 12-month chart, but that doesn't really make sense in my opinion. I know, again, we built this channel off the weekly chart, but there's just too many decisions to be made even on a weekly chart. Okay, even on a weekly chart, there's too many decisions to be made. Okay, the best way that we can grow our wealth, in my opinion, is by using and focusing on the monthly chart. And I'm not sitting here saying we're never going to look at a weekly chart, but I want to reference the monthly. Like right now, look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is red. Or I'm sorry, this is Meta. Meta's red, but we're way extended, right? We want to buy major pullbacks. We want to capitalize on big pullbacks. Here was one right here from 200 down to 160, and then it ripped. Okay, the green means buy and the red means sell. That's as easy as our strategy is going to get here. Okay, we are only buying assets that have a green dot on the trading indicator. And if you're shorting, like I put a short in on the video, and if you don't know what a short is, okay, it's when you're actually placing a trade saying that it's going to go down. So I actually bought a $50 put on NVIDIA, and $50 would put us back around that 50-week EMA on our trading indicator. This is that light blue line right there. Okay, the blue one is the 50. This one is the 200, and the orange one is the 9. Those are just exponential moving averages. Okay, they're all a part of the trading indicator. It's a built-in layout. If you don't have it, you guys can get it inside the Discord, but you get all the red and green dots, everything you need, okay, to be a part of it. So these are just moving averages. You can see price normally pulls back into these moving averages. The 200, the 50, and the 9 are the most popular EMAs used by traders.